Omicron cases are surging around the world, and France is the latest country to hit a new record. More than 330,000 new cases on Wednesday. That's 60,000 more than the previous record just a day earlier. Almost three-quarters of ICU beds across the country are now occupied by COVID-19 patients. And clearly losing patience, French President Emmanuel Macron had some salty words for anyone still unvaccinated.
Another record rise in cases as Omicron sweeps through Europe. 332,000 COVID-19 infections in France in one day alone. We have to prepare for it. That supersonic rise in new cases will keep going for several days, maybe weeks. There's so far no visible change in the trend. 9 in 10 French adults are fully vaccinated, but authorities want to ramp that up even higher to avoid more restrictions, at least for those who are vaccinated. President Emmanuel Macron lambasted the 5 million French people still holding out. In a newspaper interview, Macron used a vulgar slang term, saying that he wants to get on the nerves of the unvaccinated. He plans to limit access to public life to those who can prove they've had the jab. But Macron's comments sparked anger from political opponents as France gears up for a presidential election in April. I don't know if it's a political faux pas or a moral one. These comments should not be made by the President of the Republic, who remains the President of all the French people, who must absolutely avoid creating hysteria around the debate, avoid making vaccination a referendum for or against him. Parliament is currently discussing a new and stricter vaccine pass for places like restaurants, bars and cinemas, a heated debate that has now been delayed as politicians trade insults.